Ever felt you've been left out of a conversation? Or the person you are talking to doesn't seem to be interested in your conversation? Mastering the art of conversation takes practice and awareness. It's your sense of humor that makes you look smart. Having good taste in humor also helps in conversations, as people seem to be attracted towards the people that make them laugh, which produces dopamine. According to research, women actually produce more dopamine than men. Now that can also help you get well with your female friend. But who cares about women? Here is what to do in a conversation. Start by asking some small questions like, what's something exciting you're looking forward to? This will help as a conversation starter. Now, notice that every deep conversation always starts with a simple question, even while you're talking with your best friend. Notice their body language. A person not interested in your conversation will keep looking at their watch or just not be paying attention. You may have to change the topic. Also, don't forget to make a well-placed pause after every joke or topic. Don't make that a 2-minute pause, though. No, like PLS, don't do that. Also, learn to not laugh at your own joke before your partner, as it can be very awkward. Trust me, it happened to me, and I wanted to kill myself at that situation. The last thing you want to do is learn to match body energy. If they are sad, try to be supportive. If they are happy, then sprinkle a little humor in between topics. Sometimes frequent jokes can also make people lose interest too, so avoid doing that as well. If they are serious, then learn to be serious with them. You get the point. Now, I know this video was way too short, but if this video does well, I will be making a part 2 of it. Subscribe to me. I promise to make you better.